What are the profound reasons for fights between people in our world? I'm inviting you to come and join us. When we came to Genesis chapter 4, and we read, "And Cain spoke to Abel his brother. And it came to pass, when they were in the field, that Cain rose up against Abel his brother, and slew him." Against his brother, he slew him. But why? When we look exactly to this verse, we're asking ourselves, what was the main argument between Cain and Abel that caused their fight till death? Do we have an answer? Those questions are being dealt, and in the Hebrew tradition we have answers that was never being exposed until our days. And I'm inviting you to take part with us in this coming lesson. It is for all humankind. It's regardless what exactly you believe. I think that we also need to answer ourselves, can we avoid such things? What exactly we can learn? How can we avoid such things? So all that you need to do is to go to the links beneath this video and to take part with us. It could be, you can be part of the class, you can be on the streaming that we are doing on YouTube, or you can also listen to the YouTube after that. Have a great day. Bye.